tex.tracer is a transparency platform specifically built for the fashion industry that helps brands, retailers and consumers to act based on the truth. Our vision is a better fashion ecosystem that balances people, planet and profit. I've been part of the fashion industry for 15 years as a textile engineer. I've had a wonderful time in understanding and getting to know the people behind the garments. The fashion industry is a large contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. That made me realize that I wanted to be part of the solution for our industry in creating a more sustainable future. We think this is important because we do need change. And that change can only be realized through transparency, and more importantly, radical transparency. The digital product passport data is communicated to various stakeholders, in most cases through the QR code.
The digital product passport is a solution to show everything about the product. So you can properly see, okay, this is where it's made, this is the supply chain, this is the composition. If I don't want to use it anymore, this is where I can sell it or can get it repaired to make sure that we make the life cycle of clothing as long as possible.
Brands and retailers collect data which enables them to act based on facts. These supply chain partners give us first-hand information which we capture as primary source data. When we were looking for the answer to create a positive impact and being part of the solution for the fashion industry, we looked at making sure that data would be as reliable as possible. And part of that solution was blockchain. The blockchain part is very much about creating immutable data, and that immutability makes sure that we can say, well, this is the data that suppliers have uploaded is set in stone. And that's how we got to blockchain and the Fujitsu team. The connection with the Fujitsu team was from the beginning a great connection. It was super important to find a partner that had a shared purpose, that was really aligned on what we were doing, because we're a tech for good company.
One of the new features that we're working on is an ESG dashboard, where we're helping our clients, really giving them the insights that they need to improve on their targets.
The apparel industry, with over 300 million workers producing over 100 billion items on a yearly basis, needs a big change. That big change can be driven by technology for good.